Hello guys, happy May 4th. I decided to remake my geonosian starfighter. Here it is, it's like Nentex territorial defense starfighter or something like that. Here it is. So guys, please check out my other video as well, and please consider subscribing. So first you need a square sheet of paper like this, and you want to start out with a fish base. So you see this edge right here, you want to fold this edge right down to this center line. So first you want to fold that center line if you haven't folded already, and then fold that over to the center now. Okay, same thing here. And now you want to flip it over and fold this point right down to this point. Okay, like so. And you want to flip it back over, and you want to do the same thing and fold this edge, these two edges right here, right down to the center line. Okay, so you want to open up this pocket and fold it down to the center. Okay, and fold this down, and same thing on this side. So open up this pocket and bring this whole edge down to the center. Okay, then unfold that, make a crease on both sides for this triangle, and now you want to just fold in one of the triangles. So just open up one of the flap and just fold this inside. Okay, and now with this triangle you want to open up this pocket and fold that down. Like so. And then you want to fold this two edge down to the center. Okay. Like so, and unfold. Then fold this flap inside, okay, following the crease line. So bring this whole edge right down to the center crease line, like that. Okay, same thing here. Okay, and now you're going to open up this flap and fold this on top of this diamond right here. So unfold, then you see this crease line right here. You want to fold that over like that. Okay, and you see that crease line right here, you want to fold that back. Okay, same thing on this side. So open up, then bring this crease line right here right back over. Okay, and now you see this crease line, fold that back over like so. And now you want to fold these two edges right here to the center. Okay, same thing here. Like that. And now you want to fold this in half. and you want to fold these two flaps over. Okay, so let's pre-crease it. So kind of crease it first, then you want to fold it over. So you want these close to the turret as you can. And make it equal on this side. Okay, something like that. Then fold this over. So open this, fold it forward, then close it back down. Okay, same thing here. Open this up, fold it forward, and make sure you fold the crease line, then fold it back down. And now you want to fold this edge up to this edge, so folding this whole triangle in half. Okay, so you're going to sink this inside later. Same thing on this side. And on one of them you want to fold one of these corners up to make the cockpit. Okay, okay, and now you're going to sink this inside. Okay, so unfold all that, then open up that area that you just folded. See, and you see this crease line, you want to fold that down. Okay, same thing on this side. Okay, then you want to fold this down, and same thing on top. Okay, so fold down the crease line. Then you see here, you see that those crease lines, you want to fold those crease lines as well for the cockpit. Okay, and make sure everything lines up like so. And you want to fold that corner down. Here it is, Geonosian starfighter. So yeah, thank you for watching and have a great day.